The socialist idea of universal health care taking another hit. British Prime Minister, in fact, Theresa May, having to apologize to tens of thousands of patients whose operations were expected to be delayed to free up staff and beds, and they say to deal with emergency patients. Now, of course, earlier this week, remember, officials at the National Health Services in England recommended that hospitals cancel all non-urgent operations and appointments until next month. This, as the BBC analysis shows, more than 1 in 8 patients rushed to the hospital this winter have faced delays in the UK of more than 30 minutes after arrival. Here with me now for reaction, Amy Holmes, Rasmussen Reports political analyst, and Allie Stuckey, the conservative millennial blogger. Allie, let me start with you because folks in your age group romanticize socialism and they got behind Bernie, and it's great. You get free hospital care. The problem, though, is it's free if you can actually get it.
Yes, absolutely. So let me talk to those millennials, like you said, the majority of whom voted for Bernie Sanders in 2016, and 45% of whom apparently want to live in a socialist country. I want to talk to those millennials and honestly ask them, when they're looking at the United Kingdom and they're seeing the pain and the devastation that comes from socialized healthcare, is that what you want? Because that is what is coming to the United States if you continue to vote for far-left leaders like Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren. We are going to be the people that are going to suffer from the brunt of that. It's not going to be our parents. It's not going to be our grandparents. It is going to be us, millennials, who are waiting in the hallways, waiting for a kidney transplant, unable to get the medicine and the care that we need. We are going to be the ones suffering from single-payer health care, not the older generation. So I want the millennials who think that they love socialism so much to look at what's going on in the UK and see their own future. You know,
of course, Amy, these kind of stories aren't new, right? Elton John flew to America for a major surgery that he needed. And it always gets back to the notion that nothing is really free anyway, and you're going to pay for it one way or another. But this is scary stuff. When you think you're going to have an operation, 50,000 patients are now being told to wait.
Of course. And can you imagine the panic that those patients must be feeling? And they're going to have to wait. And then when are they going to get that very necessary surgery? But P.J. O'Rourke, he said this many years ago. If you think health care is expensive now, wait until it's free. And then you're going to be paying not just only out of your pocket, but out of your health and your psychological well-being. One point I would like to make about millennials is while they may like socialism in theory, it looks good, when you actually look at their behavior, they often tend to free market solutions. Like, so for example, the reason why Obamacare had to have a mandate, which has now been repealed, is to get those young people to buy into the system and cross-subsidize older, sicker people. Because otherwise they look at their own health and they say, I didn't go to the doctor
But they're also
this
trying to
year.
get
Why
young
am I
people
getting
to pay for coverage that they probably didn't need,
they don't
right?
use,
So they didn't need for a few.
But what I'm saying, Charles, is that you have to have a mandate because otherwise young people make the rational choice, which is I'm not going to get expensive health insurance that I'm not even using.
So then let's fast forward to the midterm elections this year, Allie, because it looks to me for 2018 and for 2020 that the Democratic Party is actually shifting further to the left, and it's going to be the Kamala Harrises of the world who take that baton from Elizabeth Warren, who, by the way, raised a record amount of money for her Senate run, but that's maybe a different story. And I think they're going to run on this platform nevertheless.
Absolutely, and I just hope that millennials are paying attention. I mean, we're the largest voting demographic out there, the largest generation that has ever been a part of this country, and so we're consequently the most influential generation. And unfortunately, we see a majority of millennials going not just further to the left, or not just voting for Democratic candidates, but voting for those far-left candidates like Kamala Harris, like Elizabeth Warren, like Bernie Sanders. And I just hope that they're paying attention right now, especially to what's going on in the UK, because like I said, we are going to be the ones that are paying the price for this. Not just in a dollar amount, but also our health. I mean, if you look at what's going on over there, it doesn't matter if you have free health care if you're not actually getting the health care that you need. And I just hope that my generation is paying attention.
Real quick, Amy, and of course, something closer to our hemisphere is Venezuela now. It wasn't, an economic juggernaut per se as the UK, but it is another cautionary tale of how much of a death spiral that socialism can be.
Oh, I mean, that country is an absolute free fall, and this was known years ago when people couldn't even get toilet paper, Charles. That's how bad the economy there is because of central government control. But I will add one more thing. At Rasmussen Reports, we found out that 53% of likely voters oppose the mandate. So a majority of Americans, they don't necessarily like these big government, big state solutions.
All right, but sometimes they vote for them.
Yes,
Thank you, ladies, both very much.